They say that when your work and your passion combine, you have reached your goal in life. And my passion is teaching and learning and farming, and I do both of those every day. I wake up happy, I go to bed happy. I love the students, they make me smile, they make me laugh, and seeing them develop is probably the best sort of input of energy I get in a day. I see them in college and it's fantastic. Particularly when you know.
She's great, she's so enthusiastic, she wants everyone to do well, and her lessons is generally fun all round and exciting, enthusiastic.
Fi wedi cael y chance i ddysgu dim ond lefel 2 a lefel 3, ond hefyd dysgu gradd sylfaen a nawr yn mis Medi i ddysgu gradd cyflawn BSc trwy gyfrwng Gymraeg. I don't speak English or Welsh in college, I speak farming, and likewise I really don't see men and women, I just see farm workers.
Mary has worked with our PGC students within the college. Mary has worked as a teaching and learning mentor across the college and across the faculty. So she has supported staff from a number of vocational areas.
We have lots of technology. I mean, I love the fact that students have got their iPhones. We've got a program called Nearpod, and they can do their homework. Pumping slurry 11 o'clock at night in the lambing shed 3:30, and it sends me through on wireless, on internet, and I can mark it and see it in the morning. Technology is really fascinating. I love the engagement it gives learners.
If you cut Mary open, you would find sheep farmer at her core, and her love of the world of land-based and the world of farming is infectious.
Wedi clywed beth mae pobl wedi gweud amdano wedi bod yn rhywbeth yn od I glywed, achos fi'n credu fi'n bart o tîm yn hyn, a sa'n credu bod fi'n yn wahanol I unrhyw un arall. Fi'n credu taw just fel gwyneb y Coleg Sir Gar a gwyneb Gelliair I fi. I ni gyr yn gweithio'n galed yma, a just digwydd bod fi'n credu mae'n enw I wedi cael ei dod ymlaen.